Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be unboxing a new Balisong knife that I got for Christmas, and I just wanted to make a video for you guys because a couple of you requested an unboxing, so here it is, and here's the knife. It's a curved blade, so it's a little different than the straight one that I always have. So when you take out the knife, I guess pretty nice. It's kind of heavy. It's basically the same weight as my other one. Both knives I have are heavy. I kind of wish I had a lighter one, but it's okay. I mean, they both work. I think. I haven't used this one yet. And then I think it comes with a little cloth. Nice. You need to clean it. And then, cute little case. Let's see if it fits in the case. Nice. Pretty cool, so yeah. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to this channel.